to my channel. Today I am doing a video that I have promised you guys for a very long time, but I am here to film it because I keep my promises. Except for that time I told you that I was going to do my 2018 makeup favorites, and it's now almost March and next year. But today I am going to be showing you all of my curly hair favorite products. These are my ride or die curly hair products. These are my OGs. These are my new faves. I have them all here. Some of them are really gross because I keep them in my shower and I tried to clean them off for you, but if you keep your hair products in the shower, you know that they look pretty grody, so don't judge me. So if you guys are interested to see what my favorite curly hair products are and what a few of my favorite curly hair tools are, then just keep on watching. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and subscribe so you never miss a new upload. Now, enough talking, let's jump right in. First, I'm gonna start off with my new favorite that I have been using literally every time I do my hair because it's just that amazing. And this is something I actually picked up on vacation and wasn't expecting to love as much as I do, but it is the Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hair Styling Gel. Guys, this stuff is amazeballs. This stuff is exactly what it says. It's like a daily hydration gel. It just makes my hair look so amazing. It holds my curls. I have the most defined curls and my hair is shiny, and it will hold my hair for days. Usually it's very rare that my hair will make it 3 days when I style it. When I use this hair gel, my hair will last 3 days, 4 days. It just looks amazing. And it really hydrates my hair. It doesn't dry my hair. I don't feel like my hair is breaking. It doesn't have like that weird alcohol after smell in it. Shea Moisture ever discontinued this, like I would fight somebody. This stuff is amazing. If you guys haven't tried it, you should definitely try it out. Again, I have a 3B hair type and this works amazing for me. I'm almost out and will be running to Ulta to pick up more of this. Another hair gel that I love and I have been using forever is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. This stuff smells like Blue Jolly Ranchers and it holds your curls like there is no tomorrow. The only thing negative that I have to say about this is it's kind of hard to get out of this bottle. It's like glue in there, which shows you how well it's gonna hold on your hair. It's hard for my little arthritic hands to get this out, but I try my best. And when I do get it out, it really makes my hair look amazing. If I have an event that I'm going to and I know I'm gonna be taking pictures and my hair needs to look flawless and on point, I will use this hair gel. I will use up the whole bottle if I have to because it makes my hair look that good. These two hair gels I cannot live without. They always need to be on hand in stock. Like I have to always have them. They are great. These gels are my ride or die gels. Amazing. Now the conditioner that I have been repurchasing over and over and over again, and no matter how many times I switch, I still come back to this, is the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Hydrating Conditioner. This is for dry, dull, and brittle hair. It replenishes moisture, improves manageability, and adds shine. It has provitamins B5 in it, biotin, and Shea. Instantly improves dry hair by 80%, and that is 100% accurate. When I need my hair to be detangled, and usually sometimes I'm lazy, you know, it can be a while before I detangle my hair, before I wash my hair, you know, life gets busy, okay? Detangling your hair when you have curly hair is like a chore, a full-on chore, okay? It's not always that easy, but with this conditioner, it makes wash days so much easier, and when my hair is really dry, especially in the winter time, I add this and my hair instantly comes back to life. I love that it has a pump. I love the size. I love that you can find this everywhere you go. So it's really easy for me to buy this. This is my ride or die conditioner right here. So good. Can't live without it, and it works really, really great with my hair type. Now, on to shampoo. Now, to be completely honest with you, I don't really have a ride or die shampoo, but this is the shampoo that I've been using for the longest, and it is the Carol's Daughter Green Supreme Sulfate-Free Shampoo, and this is the Strength and Length Care System. It helps weak, undernourished hair, nourishing strength, create resilient strength, and restores healthy looking shine with matcha, coconut, and something else. Every time I use this, my hair feels clean, but also moisturized at the same time. It doesn't strip my hair. It's just a really good shampoo. It almost doesn't feel like a shampoo. It almost feels like a conditioner. But I really like it, and I've been using it for a while. I've had this for a long time, like a long time, and I still haven't run out of it. You don't need a lot. I only focus this on my scalp, let it run down the rest of my hair when I rinse it out, and bada bing, bada boom. I love it. I don't shampoo my hair a lot. I will probably shampoo my hair once every 3 washes. So this lasts a really long time, really does the trick, and I like it a lot. This is the DevaCurl Wash Day Wonder. It's really gross. I keep it in my shower all the time. And first when DevaCurl sent this to me, I was kind of like, so let me get this straight. This is a pre-cleanse slip detangler that aids in detangling your hair. Why wouldn't you just get a conditioner that can detangle your hair sufficiently? You know what I'm saying? I was like, okay, well, that seems kind of gimmicky. It seems kind of like a ploy to get more money from people. To be completely honest, that's what I thought at first, but I was like, you know what, I'll give it a try. It says, do you dread wash day because it's filled with knots, tangles, and matted curls? The silky, lightweight pre-cleanse detangler will be your in-shower lifesaver, and this really is. I love this stuff. Works so well. Like I said, it sounds gimmicky, but it's not. It will save your life. It's just a nice thing to have in your shower when you're really trying to detangle your hair in a snap. You dread wash day like me. Like, nobody has time to be in the shower for 5 hours. I'm not into it. Love that product, works so well. I will repurchase that. So I want to talk about leave-in conditioners, and the first leave-in conditioner spray I want to talk about is the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This stuff is amazing. I have to have this everywhere I go, and I'm actually out of it, or I lost my bottle. But it's the Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I use that all the time. It's great in the summertime to just throw in your beach bag and have when you're swimming in the pool and you get out of the pool and you just want to add some moisture back into your hair. I love it for that. I love it to spritz your hair before you go to bed, to refresh your hair when you're putting your hair up in a bun, second, third day hair when you're just trying to refresh your curls. It's just a all around great product. I love it. I've repurchased it time and time again. It smells amazing, and it's just a wonderful product. You should definitely check it out. If you have not, it is wonderful. All right, another leave-in conditioner that I love is the DevaCurl Leave-In Decadence. I will put this in my hair when I get out of the shower and I don't really have time to style my hair. It just really moisturizes my hair. My hair loves this stuff. My hair is shiny. I can really feel this working, and when I take my hair out of the bun after putting this in after the shower, my curls are just like soft and wonderful and just hydrated, and they love this stuff. They love it. They soak it up. It works really well. It's a great product. So I really, really like this. So the next product I want to talk about is a product that I have been using for a million years, and it is the CANTU Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I buy mine in a tub from Sally's because it comes with a pump. I love this stuff. I have been using this for ever. Really, since I started doing my hair myself, I have been using this product, and it is great. It hydrates my hair like none other. This product just has never done me wrong. It works so well. If you really want your curls to be hydrated, if your hair is feeling dull and dry and you just want something to just revive your curls, it gives great slip. It's a great addition. It works really well with other products. It doesn't dry sticky. It, dries down really nicely. It's not oily. It's just the perfect product. It really moisturizes my hair. I love using this as a base and adding other styling products on top of it. Like, this will always be my base for styling my hair because this product works so well. This is drugstore. You can find this at CVS, Walgreens. I really like this stuff. It provides intense moisture, leaves hair soft and manageable, formulated for damaged, dry, or coarse hair. Love this stuff. Cannot live without it. The next product I want to talk about is a product that is very old. As you can see, it has been through the ringer, and this is the Shea Moisture Yucca and Plantain Anti-Breakage Strengthening Styling Milk. I love using this product on the areas of my hair that are the driest. So I will really focus this on the back of my hair and the ends of my hair, and if my hair is really, really dry for some reason, I will apply this all over my head. And this is a very oily very hydrating cream. So if you use too much of this, it can make your hair a little oily and sticky. So be careful with it. I really make sure to just focus it in the areas that I really need a lot of moisture, and it's really, really great as an add-on. I use this and my CANTU Shea Butter leave-in conditioning cream, and my hair is so hydrated. It works so well together. I love this stuff. This is really hard for me to find. I don't know why. I don't know if they're trying to discontinue this, but it is very hard for me to find, and I have not seen this in stores in forever. So I think I'm just gonna have to order this online from now on, but it's still a really great product and I love it. The next product I want to talk about is the Briogeo Curl Charisma Chia and Flaxseed Coil Custard. Now this stuff is amazing. I used this in my Watch My Straight Hair Revert Back to Curly video. I will link that up above if you guys are interested in checking it out, and I tried it for the first time. This is a really great product. It's just a thick white cream. Smells amazing. It works really well. It just really defines my curls, and you don't have to use a whole lot of product. You can just use this by itself and your hair is going to look flawless. It's just a really great product. Briogeo is a really great line. I love the Briogeo Curl Charisma. All of the products that Briogeo has sent me have been just on point. Their leave-in conditioning spray, it's just a really great brand. I know this is high-end. You can buy these at Sephora, but it is a really great product and I had to mention it. You could just use this product by itself, and Briogeo products are very high quality. They will not let you down. So you should definitely check out the Curl Charisma Coiling Custard, or just the Curl Charisma line in general. All of the products, I've tried all of them. I've tried the shampoo, conditioner, I've tried the curl control gel. They're all amazing. It is a great, great line. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is my diffuser. I get so many questions about this thing. I will list it down in the description box for you guys, but I love this diffuser because it is just that, a diffuser. I don't use any other type of blow dryer on my hair ever. I'm not gonna do that to myself. So why do I even need a regular blow dryer to then get an attachment to search for the attachment all the time? I lose things all the time. So I don't wanna have to search for two pieces. I would just rather have a blow dryer that's an all-in-one. I can throw it in my suitcase when I'm going somewhere. It doesn't take up that much space. It just is a great tool. I really like it. It has a cool, warm, and hot setting. It has a cold boost setting. It has a high, low, and an off. Yeah, it's a great tool if you guys are looking for a good blow dryer. If you have curly hair, highly recommend this thing. Works great. All right, so those are all of my curly hair favorites. Those are really my ride or die curly hair products at the moment. I am constantly trying new products for you guys, so if I come up with some new favorites, I will be sure to film another video for you guys. Let me know your curly hair favorites down in the comment section so that I can try some new products that you guys are loving. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you are new here. I would love for you to join the fam bam. All right, I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.